Hello everyone, this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions, and today what you are looking at, this is a 1993 Bluebird Schoolie. It's roughly 30 feet long. It's powered by a Cummins 5.9 diesel and backed up by an Allison transmission. So this power plant is actually really amazing. So this is also a camper restoration or camper conversion that someone has been working on. I've got a list of items that has been done to this. It looks a little bit rough, but there is a ton of potential here. They drove it in. It runs and drives really nice. I'm not going to put it out on the road. This is just not my type of vehicle to do a full send, but it does needs a little bit of body work. The tires, it looks like it's a dually in the back. Tires look like in nice condition here. There are vents, and you got AC up top and all sorts. It looks like I said, it looks a little bit rough, but there is a ton of potential here, and a lot has already been done to it. Just the powertrain alone is incredible. The 5.9 Cummins with an Allison transmission. I mean, there's no real better combination. So in 30 foot's not that bad. I mean, it's not terribly long. This is manageable. But like I said, it's a 93 Bluebird, so it has the flat nose like all buses. I guess there's some of them might have hoods. But this is going to go through our auction on the 12th, July 12th at 11 a.m. for merchandise, automotive at 1 p.m. So come out and preview. I'm going to go ahead and take a look inside. And of course, we're going to start it up. Why not? Watch your step, people. Okay. So let's go over kind of a list of things that's going on with this. So I have this, and you can put pause and read all these things. It says installed new subfloor and flooring, installed tankless water heater, installed furnace, which is under the kitchen sink, and we're going to take a look at that. Installed a refrigerator, installed the necessary hardware for a brand new toilet, and the new toilet is included. Installed a brand new drinking water tank, installed a brand new gray water tank, installed a brand new black water tank, which is actually all underneath the bus. Installed a propane tank, installed LED interior lights. It is wired for 110 and wired for an air conditioning unit. Installed a shower and tub, most all plumbing completed. Installed a 2-burner gas cooktop. The stainless steel sink is in. New faucet included. Oh, okay, guys, see what they're saying. The new stainless steel tank is in. Built several closets and have a drawer for clothing, etc. Installed a unique bathroom cabinet. Plumbing and cabinet not hooked up. The bus has automatic chains attached. So that's when, like in bad weather, the chains will come down and act as your as a traction device, which is actually pretty cool. Lots of drawer space in the kitchen. Stainless sheeting has been applied in windows and kitchen backsplash area, and installed new driver's seat and have a passenger seat to match. I have lots of extra parts, and those are all in back. So there's a lot going on with this. And yeah, so we've got our first look in here. We do have the sink and countertop, and we've got some drawers and everything ready to be finished out. We do have the refrigerator that he was talking about, freshly installed. We do have your lining here is cedar, and then we have brand new all over the place. We've got lighting all over the place up top here, and then in the front of the bus as well. Two-burner stove, lots of drawers. We've got some cabinets that are little drawers here. Do have a shower. And then across the hall is the bathroom, and then the toilet is going to be delivered here today. He's got a brand new toilet, and he's going to get that dropped off to us. And then here's your tankless hot water heater. It looks like all this. So there's been a lot of money put into this thing. So it doesn't look like it, but usually when you do a lot of this stuff, that money adds up. So that's a big high dollar unit right there. We do have probably where the rear bedroom would be. And then a ton of parts that are going along with the sale of this bus. And then some closet space. So this is actually a really, really cool project. Runs and drives. And they brought it here. And this is a front engine. And it has 242,000 miles on the Odo, which ain't bad for a diesel, a 5.9 Cummins. Like I said, backed up by an Allison transmission. All right, we are behind the wheel of this. We're going to... All right, we got things coming on. It says parking brake. So these are a air brake. So we're gonna... That's already in the pulled position. You got your air tank gauge right there. Let's try to... A little bit of a cold start here. There we go. There we go. She's just a little cold. And we're getting rattles from the engine. If you give it a little bit of a rev, yeah, it quiets down. I kind of thought that would happen. It looks like we're building air. Yeah, they drove this thing right here with no issues. And like I said, just for the sheer size, and you know, I've never driven a school bus before, so I'm not going to take this out. But we are building air. So it says yellow is front and rear is green. It looks like we're at 120 pounds. That engages just fine. I've got my foot on the brake there. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Really cool project for someone to take over and make their own. And as you see the list, and you can pause it and take a look for yourself, and we're going to put this online as well as a description, but a lot has been already done. It doesn't look like it. It looks, to most people, it's going to look like a massive headache, but a lot of money's already been put into this. A lot has already been done, and it's already a running, driving Bluebird. So if you have any questions, put some comments down in the section below, or give us a call, 360-273-5808, or stop on by and take a look, and then you can always reach us through our website, ctmunlimitedauction.com. This is going through our auction on the 12th, July 12th at 11 a.m. for merchandise and automotive at 1 p.m. And you can bid on this before the auction starts. So we do encourage you guys to come out and preview. And this is kind of a rough looking bus, but it's very straight. Tires are in good condition. A lot has already been done to it. Just doesn't look like it. Hard to see when everything's kind of under the surface. But come out and check this one out. Bid online or bid in person, and online bidding is open right now. Thanks for watching.